You are here on the occasion of the NRI Awards of the Year. So
Yeah.
how do you just feeling? How do you see this evening?
I feel it's a fabulous initiative. It is the first NRI Awards, which is, I think, an initiative of Times Now. And I believe in today's times where we are more and more becoming, in very cliched known terms, but a global village where it's very important that we be exchanging energies. No better people to start with is our own people out there who are representing our country and who to that extent are always rooted back to the motherland. So I believe it's a beautiful initiative to be honoring people who have done us proud and who hopefully remain connected for a long time and help India move far ahead in the coming years.
So, ma'am, NRIs, they are just considered as the international face of a country. They just represent that country like that. So how do you just see, means what kind of things, such kind of awards can be helpful in their images and all that?
I think I gave my answer in the first answer itself. But yeah, to reiterate, I believe they are the face of the nation abroad. And I'm a traveling musician, I'm a singer who performs a lot across the world. And it feels great to have audiences and a means to reach out our culture and traditions. To the whole global village, so to say, to the whole world, and yes, having the conduits, I believe, for a performer and to just have the ability to even reach out to audiences in the first place outside of my country is very thanks to this community called the NRIs. वो नहीं होते, if they were not around, I would probably not get a chance to step out except for very small little niche shows where you are more like a little niche eclectic act. The NRIs, I think the non-resident Indians drive huge economies, have done the country, the motherland really proud because they're not an average community. The Indian NRI community, I believe, is amongst the most successful financially and even otherwise, even academically. So they play a huge role in I believe ultimately they will play a huge role, and they do play a huge role even determining policy of a certain nation in terms of the bilateral ties between us. So, okay, I can go on and on. But
What would you like to say about Amit ji? He's been awarded as the global icon of the year.
oh, I think there's nothing new that I can say that hasn't been said before, but yes, he is unbelievable in terms of being a true icon, somebody who has inspired generations and who continues to do so, and has a voice, has a say, has a point of view beyond his domain, and that's what inspires, I think, all of us in my generation and in the coming generations. He's not merely an actor, he's somebody we look up to on so many fronts that yes, it's an honor to be in the same venue, to be in a place where he is being awarded in this award function.
Okay.